In this video, we will review how to put a new cutting edge on your FAE blades. First, before doing any work to the mulcher, make sure the carrier is completely off. Also, be sure to follow all safety guidelines in the operator's manual of your carrier and the attachment. Next, spin the rotor, checking your tooth condition. In this example, we identified that all the blades need a new edge. You do not want to grind your blades until they are sharp. You simply want to apply a new cutting edge. Sharpening your blades makes them dull quicker. It can reduce tooth life, as well as may impact the overall structural integrity of your teeth. Typically, we recommend checking the cutting edge every 8 hours when performing your daily maintenance. However, certain conditions could require you to check more frequently. We have a sharpening gauge that comes with your machine or in each new box of FAE teeth. This gauge will help you identify new tooth condition, good condition, or lastly, when a tooth needs to be replaced. It is important to pay attention to the condition of your teeth daily. Not replacing your teeth when needed can lead to damaging your tooth holders. Replacing your tooth holders is not just costly, but can also be a time-consuming repair that can be avoided with simple daily maintenance.